Do you ever get stuck when trying to talk about time in English? Or maybe you've been asked, "Do you speak English?" and didn't know the best way to respond? And what about giving compliments? Do your words sound natural? Well, today, we'll show you some easy and fun ways to sound more confident and natural in English. Welcome to ESC Speaking and Conversation, where learning English is simple and enjoyable. Without waiting, let's begin. 1. Talking about time. Here are some common sentences and expressions you can use when talking about time in English. Listen to my friend Lucy.
What time is it? What's the time? Could you tell me the time? Do you know what time it is? How long have you been waiting? Do you have free time this afternoon? What time can we meet? What should we do to kill time? It's 10 o'clock. It's midnight. It's 6 a.m. now. See you at 8 p.m. I can't tell you exactly what time we will arrive. It's too late now. My watch is stopped. My watch is slow. Don't waste your time doing nothing. I didn't think it was so late. We have plenty of time. Give me a little more time. It's time to leave. It's almost time to go home. Time went by so fast. The supermarket opens at 9 a.m. The class starts at 8 in the morning.
2. Do you speak English? Below are some useful sentences you can use when talking about English.
Can you speak English? How long have you been learning English? Could you speak up a little, please? Could you please say that again? Could you please repeat that? Would you mind spelling that for me? How do you pronounce this word? What do you mean by this? I'm sorry, what do you mean? What is this thing called in English? How many languages can you speak? I speak a little English. I can speak English very well. Your English is excellent. I wish I could speak English fluently like you. Please speak slowly. Please repeat what you said. I'm afraid to speak English. Sorry, my English is not quite good. How often do you speak English? I can read English very well, but I can't speak. I would like to improve my English speaking. You have good pronunciation.
3. Giving compliments in English. Here are some common phrases and expressions you can use for giving and receiving compliments in English.
Good job! Well done! Fantastic! Perfect! That's great! Nice work! Excellent! That's really remarkable! Good grades! What a nice dress! You look great! This dish is delicious! You look very good in that suit. This tie looks nice on you. You have a nice voice. You look very handsome. I like your haircut. What a beautiful house! What a nice apartment! I really must express my admiration for your speech. How kind of you to say so. It's nice of you to say so. It's very kind of you to say that. Really? I'm not sure about that, actually. Thank you. Thanks. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you like it. It was nothing, really. I'm delighted to hear that. Thanks for your compliment.
So, which of these expressions will you try first? Talking about time, answering, "Do you speak English?" or giving compliments? Drop your answer in the comments below And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who also want to improve their English. Keep practicing, and remember, every conversation is a chance to get better.